What's up, guys? It's Jack Reader back here with another video, and I am about to do something really crazy. My dad has been working on this truck, and he's gonna drive it. It has no brakes, which is the exact thing. So I'm going to grab my hat, and we're gonna go out there soon. So in the meantime, let's go have some fun, okay? Okay, here we go. So basically, there's my bike. Ambush. Let's see. We got the egg cartons. Nerf scope. This is basically how it is outside. It's a gloomy day. But the good thing is, it's actually a beautiful day outside. And I think I just filled the range up. But guys, if you think I did, comment below, because it is pretty cloudy out here. If you guys don't know, this is our tractor that we have. Just got it like a couple of weeks ago. And this is its AC. And you just come up in here. We got this in July 23rd, like after my birthday. It's very good. But this is AC, as you can see. AC, air cooler, heater, wipers, blower. That's the old radio. We're trying to get it out. Meantime, good shitty toy, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's our new tractor. You guys may be wondering, what is that truck? I've never talked about it in a vlog, probably, because this is our first vlog. Guys, so sorry that this thing is going black. So let's get out. I'll tell you about this truck a lot. Love this truck. I grew up around it. By the way, 7 foot. So you have this. This is old block. It's exactly like the other truck, but the other truck is older. You know what I mean? So this is our new baler. We just got this year, actually, and it's Heston, Heston 555G, and as you can see that. This is back of it. We got a triangle. This is our chicken coop. You guys don't know what chickens are? Basically, they lay eggs, and sometimes they have chicks. So this is the inside of it. I actually painted this myself. Probably think it's really messy in here. I am not worried because we clean this out every Sunday. Give them a new bed for the week. It's green, but on this side it's different. Got this for my dad. It's like this, chicken crossings. It's awesome. Our truck, you can see it. I'll give that up to you in a minute. Okay, we do have, as soon as I said we do have the triangle. So, and tires, 7 foot bucket. Yeah, this is old block. It's a good truck. So, yeah, that's my trampoline right there. This is my trampoline right here. And it is camo around it. Okay. Has a basketball hoop. That is my dad right up there. Do we have to put that tire on the truck? Okay. Bye, guys.